Hi guys, welcome back to my channel MiTutorials. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about a new feature which was released in Power BI in the August month update. So this feature lets you conditional format the data labels on a particular chart. Now I have taken a sample data set from the Kaggle website. Now if you want to know how to download sample data sets for you to practice and learn Power BI, I have made a separate tutorial on my channel. Please go check that out. You will get to know the details of where you can go and download the sample data sets to play around the data with. So this is one of the data set which has the movies and their particular ratings. And I've selected few movies here to display on this particular chart. I have some bad ratings and then I have some good ratings here as well. So let's go and highlight these into red, the ones which have negative ratings or bad ratings, and then highlight in green the ones which have good ratings. So let's get started. So what I have over here, I'm going to go here into the format your report page. So I'm going to click on this visual and then go to the format your visual tab. And under data labels over here, if you go scroll down to the values section over here, you will see this new conditional formatting option over here. Now, if you have not updated your Power BI to the latest August 2022 update, you will not see this. So this is the latest update. So once you click on this FX visual over here, you will see that there is the conditional formatting option which is available. Now there are multiple options to choose with. For this particular thing, let's go ahead with the gradient, and on the lowest value I need, let's say, to be red, and the highest value I want this to be, let's say, green color. So I'm going to just select this and then I'm going to click on OK. Now you will see that we've started to see the values here in different colors. However, if we want to decide the threshold as to which rating gets into red and which rating gets into green, let us go ahead here and create a new measure to identify that. So I'm going to go here, click on new measure. Movies selected value, movies rating is less than, let's say, 6. This needs to be in red, okay, else this needs to be in green. Okay, I'm going to create this here and then press enter. So once we have this particular measure over here, let's go back to our visual tab, and then under conditional formatting over here, I'm going to clear these values, and under format style, I'm going to go here and select field value, and this is going to be based on the label formatting value that we created, and then I'm going to click on OK. So now if you see over here, anything that is less than 5 is being marked as red, and anything that is over 5, it has been marked in green. And now we can also go ahead over here to format values and then increase the font size of this particular label. And now you can see that all of the below 5s are marked in red and the ones that are above 5 are marked in green. So this is the new feature that is available in Power BI. So that's it guys in this particular tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more such tutorials.